Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Copilot is available in your Microsoft 365 plan and enabled in Outlook settings. This avoids wasted steps. Once confirmed, open the calendar view and pick the date range you'll work on. Next, activate the Copilot pane or click the Copilot icon in the ribbon so it's docked and ready. This initial setup puts the assistant where you'll interact with it directly and prepares the calendar context for the next actions. Now you tell Copilot to create events using natural language and include specifics. For example, say, create a 1-hour meeting with Sarah tomorrow at 10 a.m. and include agenda points. Copilot drafts the event with attendees, suggested times, and an agenda you can refine. Once done, edit inline. Change the time, add a room, set reminders, or attach documents. Make sure to review attendee suggestions and conflicts, so the assistant's draft matches your Finish by reviewing and confirming invites, resolving any conflicts Copilot flagged, then send the notifications. You can also ask Copilot to summarize the week's schedule or generate meeting notes from event agendas to save time. If something goes wrong, first refresh the Copilot pane and try the action again. If issues persist, reauthorize Copilot in account settings and verify calendar permissions. This clears the usual causes and gets you back to scheduling quickly without losing the work you created.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.